Yes, hi. Good morning. See, we have finished learning about the classification of bases. Now we will learn the preparation of bases or alkalis. General method of preparation, methods of preparation of bases or alkalis. There are 7 general methods of preparation of alkalis or bases. So the first method is when metals are heated with oxygen. That means when metals are heated, in oxygen, then what happens? So metal, when it is reacted with, it will react with each other. Metal will react with oxygen upon heating and forms metal oxide. Metal oxide it forms. These metal oxides are basic in nature. Hence they are called as basic oxide. Basic oxides. Generally metal oxides are basic oxides. Non-metal oxides are acidic oxides. Okay, metal oxides, acidic oxides generally. There are some exceptions, so we will learn all the exceptions later. So generally metal oxides are basic in nature, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Hence metal oxides are said to be basic oxides, non-metal oxides are said to be acidic oxides. Okay, so here these metal oxides are obtained, they are basic oxide. Hence, so this is the method of preparation of base. This is one method. For example, take potassium metal. When reacted with oxygen, it forms a potassium oxide. Each oxygen atom requires 2 potassiums. There are 2 oxygen atoms, hence 4 potassiums. So like this. Okay. So like this, this is metal oxide. This is basic in nature. So already we know the activity series. What are the series? What is that activity series? Potassium, sodium, calcium. Okay. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold, platinum. So this is called as metal activity series. As we move down this series, what happens? The reactivity of the metal decreases. So potassium is more reactive than sodium, sodium is more reactive than calcium, and calcium is more reactive than magnesium, and so on, like this. So as we going down the metal activity series, how the reaction will be? For example, take copper. Even copper also reacts with oxygen to form copper oxide. Okay, so even this is also basic oxide. So like this. What happens when metals are heated? When metals are heated in oxygen, so they form metal oxides, and these are basic oxides. So in this way, we can prepare the bases. See these metal oxides. These metal oxides actually, when dissolved in water, they form bases. Metal oxides, when dissolved in water, they form bases. What is their basis? Metal hydroxides. They form metal hydroxides. Okay. Hence, as they are forming bases or metal hydroxides, these metal oxides are also said to be basic oxides. Okay. So like this. So that means metal oxide when prepared So it is said to be that base is prepared. So this is one of the method of preparation of bases. Now let us see the second method of preparation of base. See, when active metals like iron, sodium, any active metal, when it is treated